Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. I'm giving Bendiamatum Kawi. I say UX designer when I tabak tori use Google Google Pay the tabak to when I voucher cashback hangakanu ko. I sazo pangde. But jokes aside, mayamna yamna appreciate to bire ki mamangi students ki motivation ki damakta. The general motivation o ina hey like pao hey matamahan ngano haibagi mahutta in khalai se series ama tauge aigi viewers aigi subscribers ingi actual real life problems ingdo na generic oi like tardi kari lausaluni natra aduduna sigi series sigi second part ni ingonda message am thar e kananom na moi topic oina suggest torpane adu yengminarase nangi mingje A and tholage kong kong usually I mingje kai haidino khangdamina gender reveal downing de moigi natra karang khan khangdo khebse ya A nangi problems but it's a very serious and a very real problem. Tawkhalak liba ngang teenager oigera, young adult oigera, it matters a lot natra nadi kino maramdi hormones adudagi your brain is changing, your body is changing, everything is changing and you're so confused and you're learning attraction to the opposite gender natra sidaisida kamai toraga hotnaba leptana ai adum kahtai progress tawninge na aina khanbada nangi se khitangdi unfortunate oire ko unfortunate oire haise spectrum of all the things that you see in the internet or social media or around you people do get married adu moise thungnai heba ko khoi mai teron da hire gidi thungnai dana adu moi angang wi ngai dagi khangnar pane nukshinar pane thungnai habzu lay but I think that's like 10% maybe less ayambana kona adult khara gyan tara matung da khangnar pa mi sing sina na thungna gale ko so when you feel kind of like I don't know I don't know if this is even right, but no one applied to when you feel sort of attraction to the opposite gender, it is not wrong. It's a part of growing up, it's a part and parcel of life. It's not super wrong. Adu tabu nang attracted or hiraga consume to hon I think nangi sida where you went wrong or where things didn't work out is that aduna yam consume to hon gibanangze nangi adugi attraction it overpowered everything nangi goal am lai saram gani ko let's say you want to try for civil services aduduna nangi life ama nangna dream up tawzarakpa aduga nangi parents bu nangna support tawningba nangi family bu support tawningba imagine nangi lifespan say I don't know how old you are, maybe let's say you're 18 years old. You still have another good 60 years, let's say average lifespan 18 30, another good like 62 years to live. You have to keep thinking about that life, right? Nangi adugi tasing tarakadawa fold di adugi 62 years today. Adudana don't think that it's wrong nang being on the track was a however nangi aduido that shouldn't take precedence over everything nang aduduna khwaidagi top ta legadaba nateba biologically speaking I'm not a doctor or I'm not like a physician but I think it's all very natural psychologically yengazo angang amana atop angang am attracted with it's natural angang haragadi 18 years old ni ko moi 6-7 years old natte amain khanbi gano duga teenager amana dugi attractions indo develop torpakanda it's okay, don't fight it nang na duduna as ai du ngamara du maram da khan phatte kain khalurazu ko nang khando pa ngamaga budi 100% great khando o but nang gatari am strong attraction and feel torgadi give some time to it, like maybe think about it half an hour and then I don't know nang if you actually want to pursue that person that you're attracted to nang same way moiga wari shaning ba nang is majorly on the field or ido hosi adu chahi da curiosity never ko me go wari shaning ba khangna ning ba I don't know if you want to act on those kinds of things, but personally I would say keep inside nangi remaining 60 years, and your family, who is also very important, natra nang ngang oiringaidagi chawni yokpiraineba aduduna adusingdo kauthoga nang adu consume to hanbadumadi yam sing hairage nang sawingbazu yai lale. And another thought nangi hojik lale naina khalise, it's not too late. Hotnaba yari nang hojik like paba yari natraga nang career ama semgatpa yari. Career haragadi like pikha tharaga sema nataba, you could do your own business, you could do something. Aduduna don't think nangi life loire hojik ai makha tam hotnaba yaroi ai mikok thongba yaroi. No, ai punsisida ai re class 12 phobada yam kanna ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯉꯝꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟ ꯁꯤꯔꯤꯁꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯗꯅꯀꯣ ꯉꯝꯅꯕꯗꯪ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯉꯝꯕ ꯁꯣꯔꯤ ꯅꯣꯠ ꯉꯝꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯉꯝꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯉꯝꯅꯕꯗꯤ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯛꯈꯤꯗꯦꯕ ꯕꯠ ꯑꯥꯐꯇꯔ ꯑꯥꯏ ꯗꯤꯗ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯖꯨꯋꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯣꯖꯔ ꯐꯪꯉ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯣ ꯉꯝꯗ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯗ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯈꯜꯂꯦꯕ. ꯁꯣ ꯏꯠꯁ ꯅꯦꯚꯔ ꯇꯨ ꯂꯦꯠ. ꯑꯥꯏ ꯗꯣꯟ ꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯎ ꯑꯣꯜ ꯌꯨ ꯑꯥꯔ ꯔꯥꯏꯠ ꯅꯥꯎ, ꯕꯠ unless you're like chaishu pairagadi oiramdau mande adugi chahidu yaudri nang adu even then KFC sagaliba colonel do, do you know he was more than 60 years old when he started KFC? So it's never ever too late. Don't think like that. Aduga nang nang haise atopa angang jing gidamakte advice pininge na ko atopa angang jing tariba sing karigumba school going oramba yai, college going oramba yai. Attraction to the opposite gender is very natural, no, in minor yam fight no, but also don't let it consume your life. Natra nangi whole journey do yengo aduga think about it. Nangi hotnabududi handaba yadedana. And yam saying hairabedako, unless you're successful, like nang nasana mi amoy de tardi, nang nasana successful mi ama apaw mi moy de tardi, nang na attraction tawzariba mi do, they will, I don't know how, like maybe it is possible no adum ghata wai shanara nungshina bi ai thuna bi ai, but in the long run, right, nangi attraction nangi quality to improve to na bai damakta you should be super successful, right? Nang na sa zu yam thina chawkhalaga nang ya sa yam thin successful oibam thoktra adudabu mi atopana nangi value khangakadawbaneba. Nangna sida ka manungda depression naraga phammaga leiraga oh no mana yabiraktre, oh no mana yengbiraktre tawragadi amaduna nangonda hanna kesu yengoiba. What is important is nang na sado yam hena chawkharanba, nang na sado yam hena mi oihanba, mi kok thonghanba, then only people will notice you. Nangi personality yam great oirakanda, nangi career yam great oirakanda, people will notice you. Ditana, I hope this helps you. Nangi ming so hydravani karigumba mi ataisingna moigi problem discuss tawninge hairagadi adum Instagram da DM tobiro, I reply tawzarake. Sisi matang sa loisalase. Bye.